So we're at it again, guys. On the delivery trail. Today we are at Kipling Hybrid Auto. Serious mechanic, right? Him say yes, but he not sound confident. Mr. Bentley, serious mechanic.
Yes, man.
Bentley kind of business, him saying specialize in hybrid vehicle. So you hear him say Bentley kind of service. Hybrid vehicle. So once you have a hybrid vehicle, need a vehicle sort out, come right here, so. We're on Red Hills Road. What number Red Hills Road we are?
100A.
100A. So like he must say like him shy, you know.
Yes, and this reliable service, the service is reliable, you know.
Yeah, you like it?
Yes, man, I love the service. Ship directly to your address.
Yes.
Good.
You don't forget anywhere to get your things them.
No, we are no hassle.
Alright, so how long you been using the service? Or you just started?
Well, we just started with testing out the service as a matter
You're
of
testing?
fact. Yes, we're testing out the service. We're
Testing,
out the different services.
and him love the service and him just testing.
So we tried you guys, we got this, we got an email yesterday to say the package was alright.
Right?
We paid for it last night.
Yes.
And this morning, this afternoon, we just got the package.
Alright, good.
Service.
So you like you like the email service that we keep you up to date as to what's happening.
Yes, I do. The service is very efficient.
And this is a happy man.
Very happy.
A very happy man. And we're pleased to serve you, all our customers, just this way. You get text messages and email messages as to the update as to where your package is, what's the next thing to do. We love it. And we love surfing. Look at the place.
Good work. Yeah.
And by the way, we're at Red Hills Road. I don't know if you know anything about Red Hills Road, but when you come from the party in the night, you have to come Red Hills Road. This is where you find the best one. Jerk chicken. Yes. That is where we are. So take a look at the place. And that's us on the delivery trail. Over and out to you guys. Good luck. Yeah, man.